All right, y'all, that's it for Thanksgiving. It's about 5:45. I haven't done the Thanksgiving dinner yet. They had serving dinner next door at about 4 o'clock, so I figured I'll just wait. Maybe I'll just wait for dessert. Who knows? I don't know. But I wanted to get all the machine turning done on this thing, get the fittings in. I epoxied the big one in for the pickup. Still got to drill and tap for the cap yet, but I don't have the hardware. And I can do it because I know it's going to be a 1032 bolt. So I could go ahead and do it, but until I have everything, I'm going to want to get the gasket goobed up and get everything on. Next thing to do is pressure check. Richie came by and finished the welding, obviously before I did the machine turning, and he went around the whole thing, went back over and did reflow or whatever you want to call it, but reheated it to make sure that everything was all the seams were filled with filler rod. It wasn't just fused over or something, you know. So he thinks it's good to go. I gotta believe him. He's the welder. So appreciate it, Richie. Thanks. Happy Thanksgiving, brother. And he's at home watching some football and relaxing and trying to enjoy this 4-day weekend that these working class folks have. Us out here in the old garage at RPM headquarters, our boss is pretty easy to work with. God bless y'all. That's it. After pressure checking, we'll get her mounted on the cart. We'll bend up the mounts, get those welded on, and from there it's all downhill. We got little minor things left to do on the cart. We'll knock that out. Sometime this weekend we'll make a decision on the bodywork for the Yamaha, and we'll move forward. Well, that's it. Godspeed. God bless. Hang in there. To all you Americans out there, happy Thanksgiving.